Hello everyone, good morning, welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys PixelTap by Pixelverse daily combo. Let's go straight into this video so that I can actually show you guys some other things that you can be doing inside this application so that you can actually earn more of this coin. So for the daily combo, as you guys all know, before you actually proceed, make sure you upgrade your bot. It is very important. It allows you to get more of the daily combo allocation. So as you can see right now, my bots are at level 39 and I have the remaining two at level 31 because level 39 is the highest level. After level 39, you can no longer upgrade your bot, but I'm going to actually keep upgrading these ones until they all at level 39. Okay, so let me just go ahead and just go back here and upgrade this one level. Okay, I can't do that anymore, so let's proceed now to the daily. I'm just going to go ahead and just claim my daily reward. After claiming that, then go over to the daily combo. So for the daily combo, pay close attention. By the way, I'm going to actually zoom this so you guys can see it better. The first card is going to be this one here. The second card is going to be this dog. The third card is this bot with a fish jar on the head. And the final card is going to be this one here, this one. Okay, as you can see, this is just the 4 cards. Pay attention to it and choose exactly the card. Bear in mind that this card here, the first card is different from this one here. Okay, this one has a kind of a steam engine behind it. It's not that one. Okay, all right, go ahead and let's just check it. So upon checking, you can see that we got our complete 100% completion. I got 19 million because I kept on upgrading my bot. I go ahead and just claim it, and that's gonna pretty much everything for this segment. You can actually do other things like claiming your wheels, like spinning the wheels. And right now I have 0 spin, but later during the day, after this has been exhausted, you can see right here it says 10 hours 10 minutes 28 seconds. Once it times out, once it times down, I'll be able to like go back and claim my daily 3 spin for the day. All right guys, this is basically everything. I'm actually going to make another video on tap coin, and also just check out my channel guys. I do a couple of daily combination. Check it. Okay, bye guys for now. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.